Hi all, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and support my channel. In this video, we'll show you the command need to run for syncing the Azure AD Connect. I will mention the command on description. Open PowerShell as administrator. We will need to import the module for AdSync first to run the command. Use the command for it. Import module AdSync. Here is the command for syncing the Connect sync. Start ADSYNC sync cycle, policy type Delta. On the Synchronization Service Manager, we can check the status. If any object is failing or it's all synced, we can get the result from this window. On the Synchronization Service Manager, we can check the status. If any object is failing or it's all synced, we can get the result from this window. We can see each action is performing and result we can see on the same page. A Delta sync processes only the changes, e.g., new users, attribute edits, that occurred since the last sync. An initial sync forces a full scan of your entire directory. Delta is much faster and runs automatically every 30 minutes, while initial is only needed after major rule changes.